2026 Ford Cobra 427 Red and Black Edition. Introduction. The 2026 Ford Cobra 427 Red and Black Edition represents a bold fusion of classic muscle car heritage and modern performance engineering. Finished in a striking red body with deep black accents, this Cobra delivers an aggressive, confident presence designed to leave a lasting impression. Every surface, line, and detail reflects power, speed, and authority. Right finger before we continue. If you enjoyed premium car content like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth automotive features. Front view. From the front, the Cobra 427 commands attention. The wide, low-positioned grille establishes an aggressive stance, while sharp LED headlights enhance its modern appearance. The bold, Cobra, lettering on the front instantly defines its identity. The red paint highlights the sculpted contours, and black elements around the grille and lower bumper add depth and intensity. Carefully shaped aerodynamic elements improve airflow and stability at higher speeds. Front side view. The front side angle reveals the Cobra's muscular character. Strong hood lines extend into wide front fenders, creating a sense of motion even at a standstill. Black lower body accents visually lower the car, giving it a planted and performance-focused look. The large wheels fill the arches perfectly, reinforcing the Cobra's powerful stance. Back view. At the rear, the Cobra 427 maintains its bold design language. The wide rear profile conveys strength and balance. Sleek taillights complement the sharp body lines, while a black rear diffuser enhances both visual drama and aerodynamic efficiency. Integrated exhaust outlets complete the performance-driven appearance. Back side view. Viewed from the back side, the Cobra's sculpted form becomes even more apparent. Muscular rear fenders blend seamlessly into the side profile, creating a continuous and harmonious design flow. The contrast between the red body and black detailing adds visual depth and movement. Engine. Beneath the hood lies the heart of the Cobra 427, a 427-inspired V8 engine engineered to honor the legendary Cobra legacy. The engine is tuned for immediate throttle response and powerful acceleration, delivering a thrilling yet controlled driving experience. It represents a balance between raw muscle and modern refinement. Engine power. The Cobra 427 delivers strong and consistent power across the rev range. A wide torque band ensures confident acceleration at both low and high speeds. Advanced cooling systems help maintain optimal performance under demanding conditions, while the transmission provides smooth and decisive gear changes. The engine sound is deep and authoritative, perfectly matching the car's aggressive personality. Seats. Inside, the Cobra 427 features sport-focused seats designed for comfort and control. These seats provide excellent lateral support during dynamic driving while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. High-quality materials and careful stitching reflect the car's performance-oriented character and premium feel. Handling. Handling is one of the Cobra 427's defining strengths. A well-balanced chassis and performance-tuned suspension deliver precise control and excellent stability. Steering feedback is direct and responsive, allowing the driver to feel fully connected to the road. Whether cornering aggressively or cruising smoothly, the car remains composed and confidence-inspiring. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford Cobra 427 Red and Black Edition stands as a complete performance machine. From its commanding front design to its powerful engine, supportive seats, and precise handling, every element works together seamlessly. It is a car built not just to perform, but to embody power, heritage, and modern muscle car excellence.